welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is talking about the landlord Erica, and he is imploring her to go and seek God. He is saying that it's only him that can help her. He's saying that allegedly she loves implemented kids in our arguments against others. And he's saying also that, she will not be able to see her grandkids because of the same issue. And um, that her kids know her more than we do. And that might be the reason why they're holding off on her. So, guys, go ahead and catch the video and see what Dwayne has
Good
to
morning,
say
Facebook.
about
Good
Erica.
morning, good afternoon, good
And
evening.
please like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Please hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it.
I know you read my
And
caption.
thank you so much. Have a
Read
wonderful morning.
my. So at least they spoke about it, so we know. They know. Listen, people. Honestly, I'm gonna tell all of you, right? My only advice I can give to a lot of you is just please be wise. Make good life choices. Yes, a lot of us sometimes do not make good choices in life. I too, I have not made some good life choices. However, right now I'm trying to recorrect a lot of my life choices I've made to date. I would encourage some of you to do the same thing too and make good choices in life. Some of these people, they don't care about you. They make it seem like they care, but I can assure you, all they care about is your money. Don't you see what they do? They keep a lot of you in like a pen per se, or like like how you keep cattle, you keep good produce, cattle, goats, sheeps, whatever, pigs, penned up, right? This is what they do to a lot of you. They keep a lot of you secluded and say, if I see you there, I'll block you. This is what they do. It is called mind games. Be wise. Don't care. Tell yourself, listen, all of you is responsible for this. You are the only one who pays for this, not them. Stop allowing them to keep you segregated. And this was happening. They know, some of them know that yes, they have followers with a lot of money, whatever. So what they do, they try and keep all of you segregated so you don't go to respected platforms and listen to other people. I'm telling you, even the ones you hate, I can assure you, there is something, a message all of you can take from everyone. It's up to you to extract whatever info you want to extract that actually makes sense to you, right? Not telling you to not like people, but like them from a distance. That's all I can tell you. If you don't want to listen, may God have mercy on you. I promise you, one of these days, a lot of you are going to cry. One of these days, a lot of you are going to cry. I've had to endure my fair share of crying, right? I'm sure all of you have seen me, a man, coming on my page and be crying. You too will have your portion one day too. Just wait. Anyways, guys, we've spent this one. Oh, and I have something I want to say in my other live. I'm gonna keep my other live. Dwayne, go pan the comment. When these put. Oh my God. You see that woman. You see that woman. I'm gonna tell you what that woman does. That woman, she loves to intimidate people, and she will intimidate you by any means necessary. Any means, right? Whether that be using your children, minor children too. She will use it against you. That woman has no ethics. And you see, all of you who's cheering this woman on, all of you who's cheering this woman on, I really do feel sorry for you. Me hate when the people them that reach are foreign them a talk bad about JLP and PNP. And when them was in Jamaica, they was doing the same. You know, I can't speak because I've never voted a day in my life in Jamaica. I came here as a child. I can speak as an outsider looking in. Yes, I'm Jamaican. How can I put it? Jamaica is where I'm from, yes, but I came here as a young child. So I really had no I didn't live a long time of my life in Jamaica, so I don't have a lot of experience living on the island. So when I do come, from what I can see from outside looking in, it's very lawless, very, very lawless. But all I can do is pray for that woman and ask God that the JLP party may help her to fix or rectify her loss of limb, right? And I know it won't be easy for her. So I don't know. Share, big up yourself. She blocked them. She blocked them. I don't see no comments. Oh, kindly take my uncle, and cousin off your page. You see, Porty is a bully. Angela Merchant, you are a bully. And you see, maybe this is why your family they despise because they know who you are, right? And what you do on here, if you think you are winning by harassing and bullying or intimidating people, you are sadly mistaken. You can only intimidate people for a small, minute time span. If I was you, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you. Because you really are a disgrace to humanity. And I don't care what you say or anyone say, as a matter of fact. I don't care. The fact that you have on here trying to deflect or distract, you would come out here and say, people, I messed up. Maybe then they might forgive you. She's pathetic. Don't let her stop allowing her to intimidate you. She's pathetic. That woman is pathetic. And all of Erica's supporters, if you are here and you're one of her supporters, I'm gonna tell you, shame on you. You know the funny thing? Most of you have children. Most of you. I know I was gonna say this in my other life, but I've realized Erica and a lot of her supporters, they love to use children. They love to use young minor children against grown adults. Erica, I see why your children hate you now. And this will be your portion. Perhaps why you will never see your grandbaby. Even on your dying bed, you perhaps will never see that grandbaby. Because you are an evil, conniving, malicious woman. A very hateful one too. You know what I would encourage you, Porty? Give your life to God. God is amazing. God is awesome. And God alone can help you. We as human beings, we can't help you. What you must do is stop using young children, young minor children against fully grown adults. Don't you see what you're doing is wrong? If you can't see, then darling, you are really doomed. Your soul is doomed. Everything about you is doomed. And all of your supporters, you are just carrying them along the way with you. And I don't know. You're ignoring you, but yet you're here. You're not ignoring you. That you are a fan. You're a secret fan. Respect yourself. Respect yourself, sir. Let me see what you say. Ignoring you. What's it supposed to represent? I don't know. Let me see you. I don't even know if I want to block you. Let me see if I want to block you. Oh, I've started to clean up my page now too. Like this woman came at me today. She was so disrespectful. I just said to her, listen, I have no time to go back and forth with classless people. And she showed her colors. She showed her colors that she was very classless. And I am done going back and forth with people I consider as being classless. Right? I know I have a lot of class. So why should I go back and forth with people I don't perceive as having class? Like, no, I'm good. That's her prerogative. Do not be fooled. Do not let her intimidate you. This is what she wants. Let me see this person. Oh, he blocked. Oh, wait. I did it wrong. Where's this man from? You see, the difference between me and you people, I will never, well, I will stop. I have stopped. I'm attacking anyone ever again. Sir, you don't even follow me. You don't even follow me. Why are you here? I'm gonna block you. I'm gonna block you because you are a distraction. So let me give you what you need. Give you some medicine to go and take and fix yourself. With that being said, be blessed and God bless you. Be blessed and God bless you. Now you have that. I hope it worked. You know, something's wrong with my phone. I don't know why every time I block someone, it never shows that I blocked them. Let me use this phone. Am I frozen? Am I frozen? I'm not frozen. Am I frozen? Oh, it was showing on my phone I'm frozen. It was showing on my phone I was frozen. Sure, welcome back, girl. Welcome back. Anyways, guys, all I will encourage my supporters is to stay alarmed, right? And always have a mind and a brain to think for yourself and never follow the noise. Listen to your own instincts. You see, one thing we all have a sixth sense, all of us. And oftentimes our sixth sense never steers us wrong. In other words, a spirit of discernment. Use it to your advantage. And that's it. Anyways, guys, I feel like I've spent a lot of time on this live stream. I have. Please like and share the live stream. Please. Thank you to everyone who stayed with me. I appreciate all of you. I really do. And you know, honestly, I'm so proud of myself now. You know, a lot of times I've said I'm done with certain things on here. You know, my mom said to me, she said, son, you know, every time you're on your live stream and you get out of character, you are pushing away people who would actually want to sit there and listen to you. Even if they don't want to interact with you, they would listen because whenever you curse, whatever, you're pushing them away. And I said, Mom, you know, honestly, you are right. You're so right. My mom even told me to take accountability. I'm like, you know, Mom, maybe this is what I need so I can move on with my life and care nothing about what I say on my page. As long as I'm being very respectful to everyone, that's what matters, right? And I feel like I've done the right thing. And whoever stands with me, thank you. If you don't, still thank you. Just thank you. Anyways, guys, I really have to go now. I'm starving. I'm hungry. I'm sure I've kept you guys for some time now too. And I don't want to keep you guys any longer than I should. Please like and share. Oh, can I please get 100 likes? Can I please? I still need another 22. No, 32. No, 22. 2. I still need another 22 likes. Please, can I please get 22 more likes? I'm asking you kindly. If you don't mind, I would appreciate it. If not, it's fine. But I really would love to get 100 likes for this live stream, if possible. If not, wherever I get to, I'll be fine. Thank you. In the meantime, if anyone has anything to add, maybe you can call me and speak your mind. I don't know if anyone has anything you want to add to the conversation. You can do so now. Turn off Bluetooth.
Okay, Bluetooth is now off.
Connect this one. while I'm getting 100 likes, if anyone has anything to say, call me. If you have anything you want to add on to the conversation we just spoke about, feel free to call me now. Let's have a chat and dialogue, whatever you want to call it. Let's do that. I'll give it 5 minutes. Well, not 5. I'll give it 3 minutes to see if I get my 100 likes. And then I go, Porty. I would encourage you, Porty, try to be a good human being. The way you have been towards people's family members, even people you claim you like, right? You have shown your hand so many times, and people, they just keep on flocking to you, thinking they are gonna calm you down. You are untamable. Don't you see? Something mentally is happening to you. I don't know if it is the loss of the love of your children. I don't know, but something, Porty, is wrong with you. I would encourage you to seek help from some kind of psychologist or therapist. I don't know if you guys have that in Jamaica, where you don't have to pay the government, maybe can assist you, but I would encourage you to find help before it's too late, because you are on a path of destruction. You don't even realize. And before you say anything, I don't hate you. I don't hate none of you. I don't. But right is right and wrong is wrong. And I'm not gonna have a page where I can come and speak my thoughts and keep it bottled up because of any of you. I was never afraid. I will never be afraid. And you must stop with your bad behavior now, because darling, what you're doing is not cute. You are a grown woman. You're a grown woman who should be setting examples for other people. But no, you are on here be like a damn virago, thinking it's cute. It's not cute. Watch your lives. Watch your lives when they're over, all of them, and ask yourself this question: are you proud of your actions? Are you proud of how you've conducted yourself? I'm not gonna lie. I sat in here and I behaved like a damn hooligan too. And I had to look into myself. I know I can do better. So when you know better, you do better. And I know if you look into yourself, perhaps you can too. But that's not my call. That is